Hello everyone, welcome to this week's check-in. I hope that you're doing well. Just wanted to look at the course schedule a little bit. Of course, we're already on week 12. We're jumping into week 12 starting Sunday, patient confidentiality and HIPAA. Remember, your Chapter 9 review questions are due by the 20th, and then your upcoming Chapter 12 review questions are due the 27th. I wanted to point out the course schedule because up next is Exam 2. And Exam 2 is an exam that encompasses the entire semester that you've learned so far. Of course, it won't have exam or Chapter 11 in it, but as you can tell, reaching near the end of the course, we only have a few weeks left, and out of the 4 weeks, 2 weeks are exams. So be sure to study as illustrated in the announcement page. So let's go to that really quick. So if you head up to the announcement page, I put in some key terms that you want to take a look at that I think will be really helpful for you in relation to studying for both the Exam 2 and final exam. There is a few Chapter 11 terms in here, but not very many. Most of these you should have already heard before, and I'm sure with your review questions you've come in contact with. So be sure to review those as time goes on. As we jump into Chapter 10, Week 12, Patient Confidentiality and HIPAA. There's a lot of great instruction in the video and then in your PowerPoint and then also in the link to HIPAA privacy and security. HIPAA is a complex law that really goes into how we should treat others and then how we should treat information about others. So I run into this all the time at work. I can't stress enough knowing the ins and outs of the law, what you can and can't do, and you'll really save yourself some time if you dig into this right now, not just for this course, but for your future medical career. It started in 1996, and HIPAA has really changed and morphed as we've converted into electronic health record systems. So it's an interesting week to study, and I think it's an interesting thing to learn, like I said, for your future, and it'll do you a lot of good. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I appreciate all the work that you're putting into it. I'm trying to put as many announcements out as I can on a weekly basis to keep you engaged, but don't hesitate to reach out via email if you want to set up a time to do a Zoom talk. I'm happy to do that as well. Thanks for everything, and I hope you have a good rest of the day.